Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to rysonsspraybooth. And in this video I will show you if the fog lamps on your vehicle are faded like this, then how to restore them. So if you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe, like the video because it is going to be a very interesting video guys, and share it with your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to separate the fog lamp from your vehicle. Now to take out the fog lamp on each vehicle, it will be a different process. So whichever your car is, see that you take out the fog lamp first. Once you take out the fog lamp, as you guys can see here, powder is formed, so that I will clean first by opening it up. Inside your fog lamp there might not be any powder like this, then you can skip this step. But what has happened inside of this fog lamp, that I will show you here. So here my fog lamp is open now. As you guys can see here, how much powder has accumulated inside. Maybe some LEDs got spoiled and they discharged this powder. So I will take a paintbrush and I will clean the interior first, because you can't splash water inside here. So take a paintbrush and clean everything inside. You can even use pressured air to blow all the dust out. Once you clean that, take a dry cloth and wipe all the things. Once you are done wiping, take isopropyl alcohol and dip the cloth in the isopropyl alcohol and wipe the glasses. This is a fast evaporating liquid. This liquid is suggested to use for this type of things, so don't worry about it. Your lights will not get damaged. So once you are done wiping with the isopropyl alcohol, your interior job is done. So our next job is to bring the shine back on this glass. So see that you wash the glass properly with water first. Once you wash it properly, wipe it with a dry cloth, and once you wipe it with a dry cloth, as you guys can see still how faded this glass is. Now I will put this back on my fog lamp. Now this is a plastic glass and it's a very old glass and it is getting difficult to stick it back, so I will use Fevibond here. So where my glass sits, there I will apply Fevibond, and once I'm done applying the Fevibond, I will fit the glass back onto the fog lamp. Once I put it back on the fog lamp, the next thing that I will do is I will do sanding of this glass. So take a 2000 grade sandpaper, dip it in the water and sand this glass on all sides so that it becomes nice and flat. If there are any tiny scratches on top of the glass, then this will get rid of it, but if there are deep scratches, then those scratches will remain. So once you are done sanding this, the next thing that you will have to do is you will have to turn on your buffing machine, because now the main job is of the buffing machine. Now on top of the glass, put the rubbing compound and do the buffing like this properly. This is a slightly dangerous process, so protect your hands here, because if your finger touches the buffing machine, then it can be dangerous. So first put a wool pad on the buffing machine and do the buffing. Once you are done buffing with the wool pad, put the sponge pad, and now you will have to buff with the sponge pad. Put some amount of rubbing compound on the glass and start buffing with the sponge pad now. Now if there are any swirl marks on top of the glass, this sponge pad will get rid of it. Now here I am done restoring one fog lamp. Now I will compare it with the other fog lamp and I will show you, and as you guys can see how much difference is there. Now I will restore the other one also and I will fit it on the car and I will show you the final shots. So if you found this video useful, then see that to like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care. But before that, let's see the final shots of the restored fog lamps.